Hey, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean your tile grout quickly. You know how your ceramic tile lines get dirty, they turn black, they're nasty looking, just grimy looking, and they're hard to clean. My wife has been trying store-bought cleaning products for tiles, and it's just not working out good for her. She's tried it in the shower tiles, the floor tiles. It does all right, but it doesn't come out really good. Well, today I'm going to share a solution with you that you can use for products just laying around your house. There's only 3 products. You'll have them. If you don't, go out and grab them. And we're going to mix them together, and I'm going to show you how you're going to clean those grout lines really fast. Now you can see those tile grout lines. Look how dirty those are. And now I had tested a spot here. I did a small test. Look at the difference in that. Isn't that amazing? So here's what we're going to be using. We're going to be using 1 part of isopropyl alcohol. Do not use rubbing alcohol, it's not the same. We're going to use 1 part Dawn dish soap, and we're going to use warm water. So I'm going to measure about 1/4 of a cup. So there's 1/4 of a cup of isopropyl alcohol, and we'll put it in our clean container. Now we'll add 1 part of Dawn dish detergent. We'll add that to our solution. Now we'll add 2 parts of warm water. And we'll add that now to the bucket. And we'll stir it around, mix it thoroughly. Okay, let's try our solution out now. Now here you can see, I just did a little bit here and it's lighter. And then over here it's really dirty and grimy looking, right? So we're gonna dip our brush. Now this brush is just a nail brush that I found around the house. It's got good stiff bristles. You could use a toothbrush, but I find this brush is a lot stronger and will take a lot of work because I've done half this kitchen floor already. So what I do is I ride the edge of the bristles in the groove, in the grout line. So we'll just dip it in there. And we're going to put this solution into the grout line. Let that go there. And so now, if you were to hit a timer, you got about 15 seconds. You don't have to push real hard. You just have to let the brush do the work, let the solution do the work. So there's about 15 seconds to half a minute. Now you can probably see there is some dark dirt in here. This is a real bad spot. So I'm going to hit it again quickly. So now we're going to take a damp cloth, just an old t-shirt I cut up. We're going to clean that up, just wipe it up. And there you go. It's clean. Isn't that amazing? Look at the other ones, how dirty they are. And then I'll come back to the spot I just did, right here. Look at that. And that didn't take long at all. So I'll just show you really quickly. I still have this half of the kitchen to do. This other half I've already done. And you can see the border line right there. Right where it's dirty still on that grout line. And then look over here. It's cleaner. Much nicer. Sorry for the shadow. And we'll come back to the dirty part. There we are, back in the dirty grout lines again. What a difference, right? So there you go. That's how to clean your tile grout quickly. If you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. This is a really effective way to clean your tiles, of your shower tiles, your floor tiles, your backsplash tiles, whatever. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.